Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, OBS Shriver here. Today we're working on the F250 here. We have some exhaust tips. I got these free from my buddy, so I just bent them so they could fit. I don't know how well this is gonna work. I mean, they look better than the old rusted tailpipes. Just like that. So, I mean, they look a little better. My buddy owned an OBS Chevy, and he had these on him, so he got rid of that and gave me these exhaust tips. So, it's been a minute since I've been on the channel here. We got some tools here. Hopefully this goes on smoothly. I'm hoping I don't have to weld these on. Hopefully these clamps will just work. Got these clamps with it, so I'm hoping they just work normally. So it's probably gonna be a short video today, so I'll catch you guys once I get these clamps on. All right, we got these clamps on. Let's go ahead and put them on here, see how they look. Okay, that looks a little retarded. About cut my finger there. I mean, it'll do. These clamps are a pain in the ass to get on. So, now what I have to do, I have to tighten these fucking bolts right here. And use this socket here. Oh, piss. Oh, it fit. Okay. Thought it wasn't gonna fit for a second. I'll fucking be back. Okay, now that these are finger tight, you want to take 9/16 wrench here. You just want to tighten the piss out of them. Going the wrong way. Yep. Do it. Just want to tighten the piss out of them. They should tighten. Clamps should work. So I'll catch you back when I tighten these really, really tight. So guys, we're back, and these bolts here are really, really tight. And we ran into another problem. Or I should say our first problem. The clamps don't work. They don't work, so that's right, there's going to be a little bit of an issue. If you can't clamp down your exhaust tips, then it's not really too, they're not going to stay on too well. So, yeah. So, I guess we're going to have to whip out the welder. I didn't really want to weld these on. I'm going to have to tack weld these right here. Didn't really want to do that. But I'm going to. I don't know, I may not. So let me find out a solution, I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, we're now in my shop here. And I don't really feel like whipping out the welder and the grinder. Then I'm gonna have to plug all of it in, get the welding hood, weld it all. I don't really feel like doing that right now. So, don't know really what else to do here. I guess we're just gonna leave them like how they are. I'm gonna go show you guys. Here we are. I might just leave them how they are. I mean, they possibly could fly off while I'm driving. Possibly. Might fall off while I'm driving. Not sure. We're just gonna go with the flow. You know what I'm saying? Or we can just fucking take them off. I don't really like them stocked though, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't really think they look that well stock. So, I don't know. We might slap the exhaust tips on, we might not. I'm thinking I'm gonna keep them on. I'm gonna make a separate YouTube video of me welding these on. Cause I mean, it does look a little better with them on. So, catch you guys in the next YouTube video. See you guys later.